let me introduce you to our little problematic pepper plant. This thing has been through every phase of demise that, we could possibly throw at a plant. And I cannot believe it's still alive and growing. So we don't know what kind of pepper it is. What happened was, this was grown from a seed. We know it's a super hot. And the leaf just came off. We had it growing in a little water bottle, and we decided that we were gonna, not give it a whole lot of attention. All kinds of problems. The roots are all crazy looking, but a strong system nonetheless. So I went back and forth in my mind about it, and I realized, the actual care and the time and effort it would take to get this plant to a good point, because it started out doing really well and then it fizzled out along the way badly. But we did it as like a little crack key water bottle experiment kind of thing. So somewhere along the way, I decided this isn't probably worth our time to keep going with it. But I couldn't bring myself to get rid of the plant because it kept growing new leaves. So I thought, if this plant's giving it its all, I'm gonna keep it. And I grew really, really attached to this plant. And if you look at it, it had these like crazy burning leaves. I don't even know what this is from. It was a very bizarre thing that happened. And they're like really brown and scorched. And I thought it was gonna die. But then all of a sudden, here we are with a bunch of new growth on it, looking great. And look at this. It's even got buds. So this little plant is gonna start flowering soon. I'm so excited. And oh my God, there is a crow going absolutely nuts in the background. If you can hear it. That's a crow. So anyway, I'm going to tend to this little plant and see what happens. If it does make any peppers, I'm going to be super excited. But honestly, I may even overwinter this pepper and just keep it as my little companion plant inside. And, oh my God, that bird. And he has now gotten a name, so he's definitely sticking around. So everyone, this is Edward Plantagenet. And I'm going to keep you posted on how he does.